Hi there, and welcome to Unboxing Canada. So today we received a new package from Amazon. So let's see what you have in it. Amazon's been working these days so much during this COVID-19 thing, and after it also. So most of our purchases is being through Amazon right now. Basically, I'm trying to open this box with one hand to see what is in it. Let's see. Come on. What is the surprise? Open. All right. I know what it is. Basically, it is the boards. It should be two items, I guess. There we are. Cool. So we have this right now. So basically it is lower Expo, intense color, safer choice Expo. So basically it is for the board that we have still here to assemble. So it's called Expo Right Erase Set. Lower door. It counts as excitement. Use Expo markers to track, schedule, and present products. Right. We will show you when we try it on the board.